For highlight, that's not English either. We're gonna move on to brows. So I'm gonna go in with my Goof Proof. What am I doing with my life? Questions I ask myself every day. The girl's tired. Mama's tired. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. If you've never seen my face before, my name is Brooke. I post beauty and lifestyle related content weekly and would love for you to join the squad we've built here on YouTube. And for today's video, I am doing a get ready with me work edition. I am currently low-key almost running late. I need to be leaving within 5 minutes and I still have to take my thumbnail picture. So anyways, if you want to see what I do on a day-to-day basis for work and makeup for work, then just keep watching. Okay, I literally am exhausted, if you can't tell, and I have to be leaving for work in, I don't even know what time it is. I don't even know where my phone is. This is how my day is going so far. I have to leave in less than 30 minutes, so let's see how quickly I can do this makeup tutorial. This is going to be a realistic, everyday, going to work makeup tutorial. This is not going to be a glam, Instagram, doing the most kind of tutorial. This is just going to be what I normally do on a day-to-day basis, so let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is conceal my lids just to prime for the little bit of eyeshadow that I will be putting on. I'm not going to be doing anything crazy today. Like I said, no lashes or anything like that. This is a realistic, everyday, practical makeup tutorial, so yeah. I haven't even had my coffee yet. I need my Dunkin' cold brew. The girl's tired. Mama's tired. Can't tell from the dark circles under my eyes. Now, what am I doing with my life? Questions I ask myself every day. I will be going in with some eyeshadow. Let's see. I will use my Soft Glam palette today. I'm just going to be picking up the shade Burnt Orange and Raw Sienna, mixing these together and putting them into my crease in my outer corner just to build a little bit of definition in those areas and kind of bring the eye to life. On a day-to-day basis, I don't do a full beat. I just don't. The only times I really do a full beat are when I'm filming or if I'm like going out and I really want to like do the most, but on a day-to-day basis I will do something simple. I won't really wear foundation. If I feel like I need it, I will, but not regularly, because personally I don't feel like having foundation on my face all day long. Especially since it's getting closer to summer, I really don't want a full face of makeup on. I don't want to feel like I have a lot of layers on my face and I want to keep it as light as possible. Then I'm going to be picking up the shade Glistening and putting that onto my lid just to brighten that area up a bit. I'm gonna apply this with my finger because this gives off the most pigmentation for me. I would also normally use a synthetic brush, but mine is dirty, which is why I'm using my finger. And then just going back into these outer corners and applying a bit of that sienna shade once again just to deepen this up the tiniest bit. Not going for anything too dramatic because your girl doesn't got time for that today. Okay, so now we're gonna do liner. So I'm just gonna line up some tape on my outer corner and then go in with my Morphe gel eyeliner in the shade Slate. It's just a black liner. It has been my favorite liner for the past couple of months because it is super pigmented, super creamy, and super easy to work with, which is like check, check, and check. Fudge. That's thicker than I want it to be. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, I guess we're going for a wing today. Like I said, didn't really plan for going on liner this thick today, but it happens. It happens. It happens to the best of us. So now that I've spent 10,000 years doing my liner, we're gonna move on to brows. So I'm gonna go in with my Goof Proof brow pencil by Benefit. Let's see what time it is. Okay, don't panic. And I'm just going to quickly fill my brows in. This is the brow pencil that I reach for whenever I'm doing my brows in a crunch, just because it gets the job done super, super quickly and makes my life 10 times easier. Now I'm just going to go in and conceal my face with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm going to put this wherever I feel like I need it, so under my eyes, a little bit on my forehead, a little bit around my nose, and also a little bit on my cheeks and my chin. So low-key like my whole face, but whatever. I also forgot to mention I do have on moisturizer and primer. I put that on before I started filming so it had time to sit and sink into my skin. I used my Purity moisturizer and I used my NYX Angel Veil primer, which you guys know I love. I believe I put that in one of my most recent favorites video. It's not super new, but I feel like because it isn't super new, not everyone talks about it, and a great product, so. Now to set my face, I will be going in with my two favorite powders at the moment, if I can find it. I know it's right in front of me, but I can't find it. To set my face, I will be using my BareMinerals BarePro powder and my RCMA No Color powder, which I just keep in my Laura Mercier container because it's just easier. If you guys have any good powder recommendations, let me know down below. I do love the BareMinerals powder and I would use till I found one that I like better than it, but I do just want to try some new ones out because I get stuck in the rut of using these same products all the time just because I like them and not kind of stemming out, that's not the right word, and not stepping out of that comfort zone and trying new products. So if you guys know of any powders that are good for setting your foundation or adding a little bit of extra coverage, let your girl know because I'd like to try some new ones out. The reason why I don't wear foundation on a day-to-day basis is because I feel like this routine right here gives me all of the coverage that I need, and it still keeps it lightweight, so I feel like there's not too much makeup on my skin, which, like I said, for spring and summer is my goal. On a day-to-day basis, I skip blush, but I will be going in with my Too Faced Melted Matte, just kidding, my Too Faced Chocolate Gold Soleil bronzer. This stuff is so pretty. I love the packaging, and it's also, since it's a part of their chocolate collection, it smells like cocoa. For highlight, that's not English either. For makeup, I will be using my Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Highlighter. This is in the shade Golden Lights. I'm just going to be spraying my face with some Fix Plus and then applying this to my cheekbones. This is a great drugstore highlighter. I picked this up at Ulta. I don't know where else they sell Makeup Revolution, but if you get a chance to try this out, I definitely would because it's beautiful. Hello? Do you see that? Do you see that? Now to set my brows with my Gimme Brow by Benefit. This is just nice because I just put powder on my face and low-key powdered my brows. Then for mascara, I will be going in with my I'm all over the place today. My Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm just going to heavily apply this because I'm not wearing lashes today and I have the most short, straight, stubby lashes ever, so I really would like to add some definition. And I'm just going to blend out some of that sienna shade onto my lower waterline. Then for the lips, I'm going to go in with my Anastasia lip gloss in the shade Toffee. I got this as a sample at Ulta, and oh my god, why have I never used Anastasia lipsticks before? I mean lip glosses. These are so pigmented and so glossy. I am definitely going to be trying more of these out because I am very satisfied with this product. Alright, and this completes my work get ready with me. I'm sorry if this video is all over the place or a little bit flustered because quite frankly I am a bit flustered. So I'm getting ready to leave for work, but if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button down below and also leave some comments just letting me know how your day went or what kinds of videos you want to see or anything in general. I'd love to talk to you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one.